Adana, Adana, all I am not involved. I don't know what is happening. Kwawariko. But what is it? I don't know. I don't know. Nei Muri and then Tindi Tiripadari. And these issues we've been discussing. So, yeah, I just feel like, Bagabaisi. Bagabaisi.
Welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. Tadzoka nedzimwe nayo dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pasocial media. Holiday nemavideos ake ari kutenderera all over social media achidedzera kuti DJ Ola ngaasungwa anotaurisa. Handizivi gadzimoti kudii, munoziva mega DJ Ola akasungwa asi Holiday aitaurisa wacho haana kusungwa. Saka mheni kuti chii chiri kumboitika, ari kutemba nemusangano here mukomana. Teerai munzwe zvanga achitaura.
So, lie down. We are here. We are still safe. I'm safe. I'm at the farm. Takakula down, takachena, takarowa my head. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything's under control. If I have anything else to say, Jawe. Shake. Anyway, cheers, man. Cheers. I said, this is a brew. I was at the yes. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Everybody's safe. Everyone is gonna be safe. At the end of the day, what I told you also about the entertainment industry is people go a little bit too far thinking we're in the States. We're not States for the beef that we do gunshots. People would have really come for people. So people are a little bit sensitive, people are a little bit emotional, so we need to tone down.
Aenderera mberi Holiday mujaha achidedza kuti ndezvake uye DJ Ola.
Proof of life for mandatory safe Takakula down. Ola
I'm sure mazvinzwira mega zvataurwa naHoliday. Handizivi guys kuti mukomana ari kumbotemba nei. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It means a lot.